Hey Super Scholars, so right now we are going to learn another rule about commas. You guessed it. This one is a little bit tricky, so listen up. Here's the rule. You're going to use a comma near the end of a sentence to separate contrasted coordinate elements or to indicate a distinct pause or shift. Remember, coordinate elements are like things that go together, like our coordinate adjectives. This might seem confusing, but don't worry, we're blasting some examples your way right away. Let's start by looking at shifts at the end of sentences. Take, for example, the sentence, the echidna was simply shy, not rude. Here, this comma is being used to indicate a shift between the echidna's shyness and perceived rudeness. Let's look at another example. The echidna was nervous about the party, but determined to go. Here we see a shift from nervous to determined. And look, the echidna is bringing a cake. There are more examples of shifts. The echidna wore the blue tie to work, not the red one his mother gave him. The echidna seemed pleased, almost ecstatic. Notice that each time we're pausing where the comma is naturally, so that should help you also figure out where to place the comma. Now you try. See if you can read the sentences and figure out where the comma would go that indicates a shift. All right, let's go over it. The first one. The echidna seemed nervous yet excited to try her hand at poker. Here, the comma would go after nervous, indicating the shift between nervous and excited. In the second one, the echidna seemed innocent, even gullible. The comma would go here, indicating the shift between innocent and gullible. And again, notice this is where we naturally pause in these sentences. So we talked about shifts. Now let's talk about distinct pauses. Now let's look at this example. All echidnas watch the Super Bowl, right? Notice there is a distinct pause after Super Bowl, which is why we put the comma there. Listen again. All echidnas watch the Super Bowl, right? And there's our little buddy watching the Super Bowl. Here's another example. You're going to the echidna disco dance party, aren't you? Again, we naturally pause after party, and that's where the comma goes. So there you have it, shifts and distinct pauses. Be sure to use this comma rule in all future writing ventures. Have a great day.